somebody hear me? Sydney, your babies are getting so big, Sydney. My honey. Hi, little ones. Look how beautiful your babies are. Hello, little ones. Hi. Wow, what's going on, boys? Oh, everybody's up now. Hi, Mama. Whoa. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? Come on, let's all say hi to the camera. Wait, oh, hang on. Hello. This is Vienna. Hang on. This is Dublin. Hang on, come say hi to the camera. Hi, my name is Dublin. Hello. Oh, Dublin kitty. Look, I have white on my belly. Aw. Hang on. Who's next to say hello to the camera? This is Francisco. Hello, look at my belly. Hi. Hang on. This is Paris. Come say hi, Paris. Say hi to everybody. Paris. Look at the camera. Oh my goodness, look at my white feet. Hello. Hang on. Hang on. And this is Flo. It's okay. Hi, Flo. Wait, say hi, say hi, say hi. It's okay. Shh. Hi, Flo. Say hi, everybody. Okay. And this is Vienna, little Vienna. Look at little Vienna. She's like a little... Hi, it's okay. Whoop. Whoop. Everybody only sees white. Vienna, say hi. Come here, say hi. Wait. Say hi. Look how cute I am. Oh, we're all running around. Hang on. Wait, I gotta put you down, Vienna. Wait. What, Mama? Mama. Sydney. Your babies are really walking around, huh? There they are. Aww. Hi, Sydney. Where are the babies? They're the babies. Sydney, say hi. Say hi. Sydney's so beautiful. Hi, Sydney. There are the girls. What's going on over here? Hello, little ones. Hello, little ones. Today they're much more curious. Moving a little quicker, a little more confident today. What, baby? Dublin. Dublin. What, Dublin? Dublin, say hi. Hello, everybody. Your brother, Francisco. Francisco! Franny. Hang on. There's Franny. And there's Dublin. Let's go over here. Paris. Paris. Oh, there's Paris and Franny. Hi, cuties. Dublin. Let me go see the girls. The girls are with Mommy. There's V right next to Mama. And that's Flo with her back towards us. Girlies. Look how cute you are. Look how cute you are. Say hi to the camera. Flo. There's Flo.